Handling and processing of particulate and powdered materials is of critical importance to the process and chemical industries worldwide. An understanding of the properties and processing characteristics of these materials is an essential requirement in process design, process performance evaluation, and troubleshooting. What is powder? Dry, bulk solid composed of many very fine particles that may flow freely when shaken or tilted. Powders are a subclass of granular materials that have finer grain sizes. The examples of powder for corrosion testing is carbon nanofibers as well as silver nanoparticles which modified as carbon paste electrode. Why we use powder form sample? Powder has larger surface area which reduces the duration of the experiment in terms of corrosion test. Gives better result in corrosion rate. Powder has higher durability as it is highly resistant to wear and tear. Its rust resistance is a very popular feature, especially in high-risk areas. Using sample in powder form is more money savings. This is due to lesser equipment is needed in the process and hence lowering the overall cost. How to produce powder? Grinding method is one of the ways to produce powder samples. There are two types of grinding methods which are hand grinding and mechanical grinding. Basically, it is difficult to hand grind a sample to 1 micrometer. Hence, mechanical grinders are needed. Liquid medium like ethanol also used to reduce the lattice stain during milling. What are the examples of experiments where the samples must be in powder form? One of the experiments that uses a powder sample is an iron powder test. Iron powder test is a method of measuring naphthenic acid corrosion potential. In this method, an oil sample reacts with pure iron powder within an autoclave heated to the testing temperature. The results are based on the amount of dissolved iron found in the oil sample. The oil sample can dissolve an amount of iron for a given time at a given temperature, depending on the naphthenic acid corrosion, since these acids react with iron to produce oil-soluble iron naphthenates. Another example of experiment is powder coating method. Powder coating has been shown in studies to inhibit corrosion more than liquid paint. Powder coating metal helps create a homogeneous, thoroughly covered surface. This evenly covered surface helps prevent the metal from interacting with other metals and the immediate environment. Therefore, it is important in choosing the best powder coating product in order to get the best corrosion resistance layer on a metal. Examples of powder used are epoxies, polyesters, and etc. That's all from us. Thanks for watching.